Alright, let's download WinRAR. Just open another tab, type in WinRAR. For those of you that don't have it already, download. So you want to click on download WinRAR. You see their website, official website. The application is totally free. Okay, so you can just come down, select which one works for you. Let's see. Okay, so I'm picking English, and my system is 64 bits, so I'm picking 64 bits. You see that it's about 35 MB. Let me just put it in my downloads. Download save. Close this. Alright. They even give you the steps. That was what I just closed now. Alright, so let's just wait for it to download. Okay, it's about 3 MB. That's not 34 MB, that's 3.4 MB. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so I'll just come to my downloads. You can see, just double tap on it. Click on yes. Follow due process and it will install for you. Just exclude all this and then you see WinRAR has successfully been installed, so you can easily open any zipped file you want to automatically